If you believe you can, you can. You've probably heard that from some well-meaning supporter at some point in your life. There's nothing you can't do if you set your mind to it. The question is, do manifestation methods work? These platitudes are well-intended and meant to help. Especially when we're young, their simple, positive message can help us overcome fears and self-doubt that can be limiting. This type of encouragement has gained popularity as a mantra in an idea known as manifesting or manifestation. Manifesting is based on the idea that you can think your dreams into reality. By having a clear vision and focusing on it through a variety of manifestation methods, you can attract your dream into your life. In reality, we know that just thinking about something we want or chanting about it is unlikely to achieve your goals. Yet, in life, we do tend to go where we focus. Our mindset shapes our thoughts. Our thoughts shape our behaviors. The law of attraction is one of the 12 universal laws of Hermetic philosophy and was popularized by Rhonda Byrne's self-help book, The Secret. The general idea is that what you think about and contribute to the world is what you get back. Your mind is like a magnet, and the energy you give off will return to you. How does this actually help? It's hard to hide your mood. When you are gloomy and pessimistic or cynical, it shows in your face, body language, and choices. This applies to both positive and negative thoughts. When you are excited, engaged, and optimistic, that shows as well. That doesn't mean you should overdo it by being optimistic and upbeat. Be authentic. It's not easy being upbeat 24/7. Your mind is your most powerful tool. Reprogramming your conscious and subconscious mind takes work. The more you train yourself to think positively, the more natural it'll become. Achieving your dreams is possible. First, you have to believe. How to start manifesting? Fortunately, many effective manifestation techniques help you focus on where you want to be in the future. Here are some ways to get started. 1. Make a vision board. Piecing together your goals with images and words on a vision board gives your mind the freedom to wander. Hang up your board somewhere you'll see it every day. 2. Start journaling. Journaling gives you a safe space to record your thoughts, worries, and goals without judgment. You can always be yourself on paper. You can keep a gratitude journal where you remember what you're thankful for, or a manifestation journal to focus on what you're hoping to achieve. When scripting, it's important to keep the following practices in mind. Stay in the present. Visualize your dream life as if it's happening right now, and write about what you want in the present tense as if you already have it. Be as detailed as possible to make the practice more convincing. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, imagine an office that smells like fresh paper, is filled with beautiful green plants, and has a comforting sound of chatter in the background. Feel the fabric of your new office outfit and taste the first sip of coffee in the morning. Manifest love and gratitude. Don't only think about what you want. Dedicate positive energy to being grateful for what you already have. Reflecting on what you're thankful for now is a vital way to promote positive thinking. It can be as small as appreciating a weekly check-in with a good friend, or as big as owning your own home. Leave what you don't want behind. Successful manifestation focuses on positive thoughts. Scripting helps you visualize what you want to bring into your life, which means thinking about what you want and not what you don't. Letting yourself sit in the happiness will motivate you to reach your goals. Man relaxing, lying on the sofa, writing in his notebook. Manifestation methods 3. Say positive affirmations. Ever heard of the Wonder Woman pose? It's when you stand in a superhero position and chant positive things to yourself. I've got this. I'm worthy of my dreams. I'm continually learning. I will succeed. It may sound hokey, but for people who struggle with self-criticism and automatic negative thoughts, it is an effective way to retrain thought patterns. Superhero position or not, repeating positive thoughts daily trains your mind to think positively more automatically. It'll help boost your self-confidence. Practice repeating affirmations every morning or before stressful events, like tests, presentations, or hard conversations. 4. Consider your dreams before bed. Contemplating or writing down what you want before bed plays into the theory that the last thoughts of the day Modify your subconscious beliefs gradually but profoundly. Your dreams will improve and you'll wake up feeling better. 5. Go outside the box. There's nothing wrong with staying in our comfort zones. But by getting curious and stepping outside those boundaries, you'll grow and learn. You will discover new opportunities. Start with small steps and work up to larger ones. Thomas Jefferson said, "If you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done." These words ring true. Taking action ensures progress. 6. Surround yourself with positivity. Being around like-minded and supportive people will help you maintain a healthy mindset. When you fail or make a mistake, you'll have a safety net ready to catch you with open, loving arms. That's better than being greeted with negative energy. While a positive support system is great, forced positivity isn't helpful. Toxic positivity is when people force an upbeat attitude and refuse to see any negatives or downsides, regardless of what is happening around them. Real life has ups and downs, peaks and valleys. Some days you will be afraid or unhappy. Unexpected obstacles and setbacks will happen. Surround yourself with people who can be there with you and help you find your way back up. 7. Practice the 369 manifestation method. This numerology method is popular and easy. Write down what you want to manifest. You'll do this 3 times in the morning, 6 times throughout the day, 9 times in the evening. If you believe in numerology, by all means, use this simple trick. Inventor Nikola Tesla believed these numbers were divine and could unlock the universe's secrets. For everyone else, the 369 method is a reminder to touch base with our intentions and purpose throughout the day. Consistently writing what matters to you can help solidify your sense of purpose and direction. Your intentions shape the direction of your thoughts and actions. Businesswoman brainstorming manifestation methods. 8. Walk the walk. The phrase "fake it till you make it" holds some truth when manifesting your dreams. It takes courage to believe in yourself and continue despite obstacles, but it's always worthwhile. Start planning your dream life today. Manifesting methods are an easy way to start building your dream life. It doesn't matter what method you choose. What matters is that you have the conviction to follow through. How you think and feel impacts what you do. Manifesting will be challenging some days, but that's okay. Keep going, and don't be afraid to ask for help. If you can dream it, and then put in the hard work necessary to achieve it, you'll succeed. Share in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. See you in the future video, and thanks for watching.